So for creating such this demo, we just need to HTML file and CSS file. For creating, we just jump to inside the sidebar and create the file by the name of the one by the HTML index.html, and the second install.css. So right here inside the HTML file, we can add the basic HTML file such as this files, and we can call this tutorial by the name of YouTube channel demo. So right here inside the body element, we can add this element by the name of main element, and inside this the first we can add the second element by the name of the navbar. So right here, have a look right there inside the navbar. We're going to add this title by the name of logo. We can add image by such as the demo, and we can create the navigation bar or menu bar. So right here inside the logo element, we can add img element. We can add image as logo for our page, and we can add a title by the, for example, as code cam. Right here inside this second element as nav links, we can write down nav links, and inside these nav links we can just make a title, a user list. For this one, you can write an UL element inside right here. So inside this UL, we just make a title bar. For example, li element inside this one, a tag element, and we can call the first menu bar by the name for home, and we can duplicate this one. Just press Shift Alt and arrow down. We can create the second one by the name of tutorials, online course, and testimonials. So right here inside the logo, we can add a logo, and we can refresh the page. Have a look right here. We can link this page with CSS file. Take a look right here. We can logo menu bar right here. So we just need to design this one by CSS file. We'll talk about this one in the next. So right now we can just add another development by the name of information dot information. We just make an overlay element. We'll talk about this one. Inside this information, we just make a circle by the name of so the first one overlay attribute, and the second one we just gonna to add another element by the name of a circle. We can add features, different types of feature right here inside this div element. We just make this circle for example to add different types of video inside this one and link it to YouTube channel. Right here, let's have a look inside the circle. We just make a second div, an attribute. We can various type of video attribute right here inside this feature element. Just write down the first one. We can just call the feature one element, and we can write down an add image just for a tag element and image img element, and we can make a second another div element. We can write down each one element. We can call the first video by the clone application just by each tag one element. Have a look right here. So we have got feature 1, each tag element inside the img element. Just add img and its picture right here, and we can link this tag element right here. We can add the first. We'll talk about this one. So right here, have a look. We just write down tag element. Each of is equal. We just link this demo with its main video as main page as YouTube channel. Just right, come back to right here, and we can copy this video links and paste there inside the page. Each of is equal number. Inside that quotation, we just copy and paste that video links right here. So inside the img element, we just add its picture should be linked to that video or that demo. You can copy and paste another video from YouTube channel inside this page, and we can scrub out that video inside the tag element. You can see right here. If we refresh the page, you can see the change. We add this video and linked this demo with our page. So it's the basic design and format with CS file. So right here, have a look. And we can just duplicate this one. Just duplicate the first one, for example, demo one or feature one, and we can call others features for the feature 2, feature 3, and feature 4, feature 5 and 6, and so on. So under this development, we just copy and paste this feature 1, and we can just duplicate this one, this feature 1, and we can call this feature 1. The second one, we can change its name, for example, feature 2, and each graph is equal. We just add another video links and paste right here. The first and the second feature by the feature 2, feature 3, and feature 4. So the second feature 2, we just need to jump to YouTube channel, and just paste its link right here inside the href element. Second one, third one, and the fourth one. Right here, the first one, each tag element, each one element is just talk about its main title, and p tag element is just describe about that video or about that demo. Just have a look right here inside the website, YouTube channel. EasyCodeCam is my YouTube channel. You can watch different types of video about web design, HTML full course, and so on. So the first one and the second one and the third one, just copy and paste its link, that videos links right here. You can just copy from here its link, this video links, and just paste that links inside the tag element. I just link this demo with that main video. If we click on that demo, you just can watch it inside the YouTube channel page. So it's the first one, and the second one is just add, for example, the second one is picture img source is equal image. We have got a folder by the name of image, and we have got it's a page, it's a picture, and we can add those picture just from this image folder. So have a look right here is the menu bar. It's the demo feature, the first one, the second one, and the third one, and the fourth one. So at the end we just need to make a control page, and for this one we just need to make a up button and down button. We'll talk about this the next and right now. Each and so for creating this control attribute, just write on dot controls. Inside is the first one we just add img element. We've got image folder. From this folder we can add is icon as up button. We can open each one element. We can just make a title by the name of YouTube demo, or YouTube video. The title of this demo is the up button and the down button. There's need to JavaScript. We should link this page with JavaScript. So right now we just need to add the logo for our page, and we can call this logo title by the name of EasyCodeCamp. It's my YouTube channel name, and right now we should jump to inside the install.css and design this demo with the CSS file. So right here, have a look inside CSS file. This title mean navbar logo img nav links ULLI. We will talk. So right here we just need to design this attribute. At the first one store, we just select this padding means 0 and font alignment. So right here we have got the main attribute, and we should design this one. This main attribute which should be 100% select, and height should be 100 which, and position should relative, and overlay we can select as heading. Background is select this banner gradient. And the second one we have got the nav bar. So inside we can copy this nav from HTML file, and we can select its width size should 180%, position should be this one, and margin from the top down from the bottom should be this one. And we have got the logo. Can copy this logo from HTML file, and right here select flex spaces should be 10%, and we have got the logo img. We can select its width size and height size, and border should be this one, and we can select and change its border as for example to this %. And if we change its border, for example, and select it's around, for example, 30%, it will change to this, and if we change to 10%, it will change to, for example, the rectangle around rectangle, and we change to 50%, it is the circle. So the second one, I've got the length, nav length. You can copy this one and select the flex should be 1 and text align should be right here. Have a look right here. Just can copy this one. I've got this demo and this navigation bar. So should come back to this file, and we have got nav length, and the second one ULLI element and the ULL tag element. You can select is for color and text decoration. Text decoration should be none and color should be this white color. If we select this text decoration should be none, the underline would be removed from this title. If we select is none, so we have got the information attribute. You can copy this one. This information you can select is for example weight and height and position. This one, and top should be 50% and left should be 10%, minus 10%, and transform should be this one. So we have got the circle. You can select this circle, for example, weight size, height size, position, then left and top this one, this pixel and border should be this one, then transform should be rated 0 degree, and the second one we have got feature image. You can select as weight size. This way we have got around 4 features inside the HTML file. So just can copy this attribute and come to CSS file. You've got the feature img image. We can just format this img with CSS file. So right here we have got this feature 1, feature 2 and feature 3. You can select feature div element, just select margin left, and right here just I've got h1 element, p tag element, feature p tag, version from the top should be auto, and we just design that. So the feature 1 you can select, feature 2 and feature 3 you can just format the button space, left space transform, and feature 4 should be button around 150. So inside the HTML file, just I've got this one each tag element, paragraph element and img element. We just design this one by CSS file. So right here, have a look right here, tag element, img element, come back to install, and right here I've got this feature 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we have got this controls we can design. I've got this controls attribute inside the HTML file. Can copy this one, come back to this right here. We can select this position should be this one, right this space 20%, and top with this one, and transform should be this one, and text align should be center. So come back to HTML file and write on script. We just need to this HTML file and linked with the JavaScript. Inside the script we have got one element circle equal document dot get the element by ID. The first one we can copy and paste circle, the second one up button, and the third one down button. And right here we've got the rotate value is equal to circle dot style and dot transform. So our rotate value should be done, and our rotate this. So a button should click to function, and inside the clip list we can write down rotate sum. The first one is equal to rotate value rotate sum. Can write down rotate sum is equal to write down rotate value plus rotate, and inside the parentheses we can write down hyphen 90 degree. And the second one we have got just to write down circle dot so right here we can write down circle dot soil dot transfer is equal to rotate sum. And we can write down rotate value is equal to rotate sum. So we can duplicate this one up button, and the second one we can write down just rotate sum, and the second one is we can just duplicate this one up button, and the second one we can write down down button. Dot on click is equal to function. We have got two kinds of buttons, the first one up button and the second one then down button. So just copy the first one and paste right here inside the clippers. I just change this one to, for example, the first one was 90 degree, and this one is just 90. Just have a look right here. If we click on the picture, just watch this video inside the website or YouTube page. Is the demo we have created and designed it just by JavaScript and CSS. So we have got up button and down button. Right here, have a look. We can select this one, and we can copy this up button and down button. I've got this up button and down button right here, and overlay. We have got this overlay. Just select this width size and height size. Have a look right here. I've got this demo. If we click on its picture, we can watch it inside the YouTube channel. We just linked this demo with its main page as a YouTube page. So please subscribe my channel, as Easy Code Cam is my YouTube channel. You can watch different types of video about web design, web full course, HTML full course, and you can watch different types about React tutorials.